Did you know you can now create music, edit videos like a Google Doc, or even automate your entire workflow, all with free AI tools? Welcome to 2025, where AI is not the future. It's already transforming our daily lives. In this video, I'm going to show you 7 mind-blowing AI tools you can use right now, most of them for free. And trust me, by the end, you'll wonder how you ever lived without them. Hi, welcome to EduAIverse, your hub for learning how AI and technology are shaping our future in the most practical ways. Whether you're a student, teacher, content creator, or entrepreneur, these tools can save you hours, spark creativity, and make you super productive. Let's dive right in. 1. Zapier. Automate your life. First up is Zapier, your personal automation wizard. It connects your favorite apps like Gmail, Google Sheets, Notion, Slack, and hundreds more, allowing you to build workflows without any coding. Imagine this. You receive customer feedback through a Google form. Instead of manually replying, Zapier sends a personalized auto-response within seconds. Just describe what you want, and Zapier will suggest a zap. That's their term for automation. You can tweak every step and watch the magic happen. It's free to start, and once you try it, you'll never go back to doing things manually. 2. Google AI Studio. Real-time help on your screen. Next is Google AI Studio, and this one feels like something out of science fiction. It watches your screen in real time and gives step-by-step guidance on what you're doing. Working in Excel but forgot how to create a pivot table. Share your screen, ask your question, and it walks you through the process, live. It's like having a virtual tutor who never sleeps. As Google rolls out more features, we might soon see AI performing these tasks with us. 3. ChatGPT plus Canvas plus Sora, not just chatting. You've probably heard of ChatGPT, but in 2025 it's gone from chatbot to everything bot. Features like Canvas allow you to write and revise long documents collaboratively, like a super intelligent co-writer. Upload PDFs, images, even spreadsheets. ChatGPT analyzes and uses them to give contextual responses. Need logic-based help? Turn on the reasoning model. Oh, and there's Sora, OpenAI's new text-to-video tool that lets you generate high-quality videos from just a sentence. Think of the creative power that unlocks. 4. Udio, AI-powered music creation. Udio lets anyone become a music producer. Describe the vibe. Maybe lo-fi chill beats for studying with a futuristic twist. And Udio generates songs with lyrics, structure, and melody. Customize verses, chorus, and even the song length. You can download and share it. Perfect for YouTubers, marketers, or anyone who needs royalty-free music. Music plus AI, endless creativity. 5. 11 Labs, next level AI voice. Ever wonder how some YouTube voices sound so lifelike but aren't real? That's probably 11 Labs. It produces incredibly human-like AI voices, great for narration, dubbing, and even voiceovers in multiple languages. You can adjust tone, pitch, pacing, and now even use the voice changer and text-to-speech translation tools, perfect for content creators and educators alike. 6. Perplexity AI, smarter research assistant. Perplexity AI is like Google, but smarter. It lets you search the web, academic papers, or even Reddit, and gives you sourced, citation-backed answers. Studying, fact-checking, or researching for a video script. Perplexity helps you find real answers without the fluff. You can even remove or add sources and get updated responses. It's free and getting better every month. 7. Descript, video editing reinvented. Last but definitely not least, Descript. If you create videos or podcasts, this is your best friend. You edit your video like a Word doc, delete filler words, cut silences, and even generate new voice clips with overdub using your own voice. Need better audio quality? Use Studio Sound? Want captions or to remove your background? Just click a button. Whether you're a YouTuber, teacher, or marketer, Descript makes pro-level video editing ridiculously easy. So there you have it, 7 of the most powerful and free AI tools of 2025. These are not just cool gadgets. They're tools that can save you time, boost your productivity, and unleash your creativity like never before. Which one are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments. If this video helped you discover something new, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to EduAIverse, where we make AI and tech simple and exciting. Hit the bell icon so you never miss an update on the latest AI trends. Thanks for watching. And remember, the future is now, and it's powered by AI.